Hi everybody, it's gonna be a little review for Caesars Casino Atlantic City room. As soon as you enter, you get to a bathroom on your left. It's a pretty cool bathroom. They definitely did remodel. I stayed here like 5 years ago and it was different. It's different buttons and different system. This is a little thing, but this is important. And it's really cool. There's a toilet over there. What else we have? We have a big mirror. We have a safe, steamer, ironing board. It was remodeled, I can say it. Everything is new, everything is looking good. Big TV, there is a fridge, really comfortable bed. I spent here last night. Here's a light, comes up behind the bed. And another cool thing that they have a charger adapter for every possible charger and phone. This is really cool. And this is a view. This is ocean view room. It's really empty in Atlantic City in December, and especially on weekdays. Today is Thursday, and not really anyone. I went for a walk yesterday to Tropicana, and Caesars is like empty. Bailey's is dead. I think they're remodeling or doing something, but it's like everything is closed. This is the view. I like it. I like this room. I paid about $72 for 2 nights, and mostly it was resort fees. What's really cool is big. Nice view, has everything I need. But bed is really comfortable. Sheets really good. It's still foggy outside, but it's about 45 degrees. Not too many people outside. On a boardwalk, just like a few, I would say. Mostly bums. And me.